So, John Christopher and Lady Lynn, tatlong bagay, no? To guide you in order to attain a successful and happy relationship as husband and wife. Faith in God, forgiveness, and faithfulness. Today, as you receive the Holy Sacrament of Matrimony, you will again make another promise to one another that you will be always be there for each other, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. Please be also faithful to this promise.
Let's go beyond.
Lady Lynn, sa araw na to, pinapangako ko sa iyo na magmula sa araw na to, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Dalawa na tayong harap sa buhay ng daling dalawa.
Halika rito, sumugal ka ng 10 minuto. Sabay tayong maglalayag sa kawalan.
The promise that you will be making today sa araw ng inyong kasal, marami ang makakaalam. Nandyan sa likuran ninyo, yung mga pamilya ninyo, mga ninong-ninang, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, at dito naman sa harap, nandito ang altar, nandito ang presensya ng Panginoon.
Lahat ng ala-ala kasama sila. Saglit lang tayo munang dalawa. Saglit lang tayo munang dalawa.
JC, if there's one thing I always want to look back, ay yung nakilala kita. Because of you, how I viewed life has changed. You are someone that I never expected to happen. Pero sobra kong pinagpapasalamat sa Diyos today. I am confident to be standing right beside the man who completes my life, my happiness, and my peace.
Hindi kita iiwan. Pinapangako ko yan. Tapos, gagawin ko ang makakaya ko hanggang mabigyan ka ng magandang buhay.
Iwan natin silang lahat, tayo muna hanggang sa pagdilat pupurahin. Lahat ng ala-ala kasama sila. Saglit lang tayo munang dalawa.
John Christopher, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
XB, X Battalion Music. Yeah.
Nung una kitang makita, binihag mo agad ang aking mga mata. At dahan-dahan ikaw na nga ang matagal ko nang hinintay. Oh, I'm falling in love with you. Girl, I just can't stop thinking about you. Ikaw ang laging sigaw ng pusong ito. Kaya sana pansinin mo, pagbigyan ang pusong ito. Namahalin ka, aalagaan kita. 'Cause there's something about you, baby, that just makes me go oh oh crazy. You make me crazy.
JC, itong wallet na to ay ang paglalagyan mo ng pera. Para alam ko kung saan ako kukuha. Uy, may laman pa. Thank you. Lady, thank you sa wallet na binigay mo. So, kalahati ng aking sahod ay mapupunta sa wallet na to. At yun lang ang makukuha mo. Thank you, I love you. See you mamaya.
Ika'y gustong maasawa, makasama sa pagtanda.
Thank you. Lady, take this camera as a gift. Polaroid camera para din mo mapiro picture mo na maayos ka lang. Kaya itago mo lahat. Ikaw na bumili ng film niya. I love you. Thank you, JC. I love you.
Pansinin mo, pagbigyan ang pusong ito. Namahalin ka, aalagaan kita. 'Cause there's something about you, baby, that just makes me go oh oh crazy. You make me crazy.
Make God as the center of your life, as a family life. Huwag ninyong kalimutan ang Panginoon sa anumang sitwasyon na dumating sa buhay ninyo. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. Nandyan sana ang Panginoon sa puso at isipan ninyo.
that I can't deny.
Thank you for making me happy, me the happiest bride as I am now. Halos wala na akong mahiling sa Diyos. Complete package na ang binigay niya. Mabait, maalaga, maasikaso at higit sa lahat, lagi mo akong priority.
Reason why I begin again. Let me be the one to lead you in this life we choose to live. And I'm ready to face this world with you. I'm ready to take you in my life. There's nowhere to run but here. Right in my arms is where I'll keep you.
Thank you sa lahat ng support at efforts para maramdaman ko kung gaano mo ako kamahal. Thank you sa pagtanggap mo ng flaws at imperfections ko. Thank you for everything. Lalo sa mga sacrifice mo.
I can't pretend you are the missing piece that could make me whole again. Every little word you speak, I can breathe again. Your power to move without a reason, I will love you just the same. Let me hold you in my
John Christopher and Lady Lynn, be faithful to one another, and please pray, and please be faithful or pray to God that He will always give you the strength to be faithful to your promises and to one another.
From this day forward, I want you to know that I won't stop loving you. I promise to love you unconditionally. I vow to take care of you today and always. I love you.
And I'm ready.